Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sadaf Alam. Have you gone crazy finding the right lecture for biostatistics? Well, it's not your fault because there are more than 200 channels that are giving medical lectures, and you won't believe biostatistics is not only important for medical students, a lot of mathematicians and a lot of other branches need that. So there are good about maybe 150 people talking about biostatistics. It will make you go insane if you try to find it yourself. Well, I have a confession to make. Just like you, I hate biostatistics. Now, this is my testimony of affection for you because I really saw good about 50, 60, I don't know how many lectures for finding the right lecture for you. So without wasting time, I will tell you what are the best lectures. See, there are quite a few good ones, but I want to give you that extra. Okay, if you're in a medical school and you're not racing against time, to Rahul Patwari. He's very good. He talks about a lot of topics like proving a hypothesis, student t-test, etc. And there are a lot of videos. You can take your time and do it. And I suggest everyone, whether you're having an exam tomorrow or whatever, do Incidence and Prevalence from Rahul Patwari because he has a bathtub example which makes it crystal clear in your mind how to go about prevalence and Incidence. Also, if you do not like his style of teaching or you find a little more complex, you want to do more basic than that, you do Statistics Learning Center. That is also good. Now you decide between the two. It's up to you. For topics like specificity, sensitivity, positive predictive value, negative predictive value, odds ratio, relative risk, absolute risk reduction, and then a positive likelihood ratio. For these topics, which are the most important topics really, you must do Randy Neal MD. This is for everyone. This is really good. Don't go on the quality of the video and lack of animation. All that's a really good video. You must do it. Now for other things, for NEET and AIM student especially, you should do Dr. Mohit. I think he's good. Now in biostatistics, to understand that language is really important. So those students from India who prefer Hindi language, y'all could use Dr. Rajiv Ranjan Gupta. He's done a pretty good job. Next, coming to the mnemonics. Mnemonics, basically there are two good ones. NOUT for sensitive test rules out and SPIN for specific test rules in. So I mentioned the best ones. Now STOMP on step 1 and boards and beyond is also good. So if you're doing that, great. But definitely watch Randy Neal. He's really worth it. So that's all for my review. If you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to watch my other videos. Bye-bye.